What up, though, homies and homies? It's your homeboy Grand Tizzle, and welcome back. Thank you for checking out the video. And today I want to share something interesting with you, my fellow Patreons and fellow graphic design artists. And I want to share a story with you. And this story is about why experts get paid more. So as you're watching the video, you can also enjoy a motivating story. So the story is about this large ship, and the engine went out on a cruise ship. And for weeks, the bosses was trying to find someone to repair the ship. They ran across several professionals, and no one was able to fix the ship. So they brought in a guy that was fixing ships since he was young. He didn't have a big name, wasn't professional as the others, but he had a lot of knowledge about ships. So he came, and he didn't look like a professional. He was short, he had these big shoes. His pants was kind of saggy. He had this big mustache, almost kind of looked like Mario Brothers. And he had this medium-sized bag, and it had a few tools in it. So he didn't hesitate. He went right to work. And what he did was he examined the engine thoroughly from top to bottom, in and out. He spent some time looking at the engine. He was taking his fingers and he was tapping different parts of the metal, and then he would put his ear up to certain parts of the engine. And two of the ship's owners, they was watching the man, and they was hoping that he knew what he was doing, because they was confused because he wasn't doing what the other professionals was doing. So after looking at everything, the guy reached in his bag and he pulled out this small hammer. And he gently tapped 3 times, tap, 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 on a part of the engine, and the entire engine started running. So he smiled, he put the hammer in the bag, and he left. A week later, the owners, they received an invoice from the old man, and it was for $10,000. So, of course, the bosses was ecstatic because they watched him tap. Now, if they wasn't watching him, they wouldn't know that he used a hammer, but they was watching him. So they saw him tap the thing 3 times with the little small hammer. And they was kind of, they was really upset. They said he hardly did anything. All he did was use a little bitty hammer, and he tapped apart 3 times, that's it. So they wrote him back and said, can you please send us an itemized invoice? So the man sent the invoice back, and it read, tapping with the hammer, $2. Knowing where to tap, $9,998. So, of course, the moral of this story is the value of skills and expert knowledge. So learning and elevating your skills is essential to making more money. And right now, the economy is so crazy right now, you really want to level up, seriously level up. And having a 9-to-5 is just simply not enough no more. You need a side hustle. Bills is going up. You see how the things, gas, milk, eggs, everything is going up, but your paycheck is staying the same. So it's beneficial to invest and elevate your skills.